Do you feel that English is very difficult? But it is not true, because it is very easy. If you learn it proper way, then you can learn it very easily. Many people think that I don't have any expensive English learning courses and I don't know English grammar rules. So English is not my cup of tea. But it is absolutely wrong, because if you are a dedicated person, if you learn it consistently, then you will learn English speaking skills very quickly. So you need to follow just few simple methods. At first, you have to listen English. Listening is very important, because whenever you want to learn any language, if you don't listen, you cannot speak it and you cannot know how they are speaking and cannot improve your pronunciation. So you need to listen English. You watch English YouTube videos, whatever you like, and watch English podcast and English news also. If you listen more, then you will learn it very quickly. And the second step is you need to learn just 5 new words every day. If you try to more words a single day, then you will forget all the words after few days. If you try to 50 or 100 words learn a single day, then after few days you are not able to remember any words. So you don't try much, you try just 5 words and you try to use it in your daily speaking sentences. You try to use it in your daily sentences. When you use them, then it will be memorized very long time. So friends, this is the second step, and third step is you have to speak, because speaking is most important. If you don't try to speak, then you cannot learn any language, not English only. Any language, if you want to learn any language, then you have to speak. Because if you are thinking that I will learn all the English grammar rules, then suddenly one day I will able to speak English. But it is not happening, because speaking not come suddenly. It is a skill. It needs consistency and it needs time. You can learn it step by step. First you have to speak, and in the beginning you speak just simple and small sentences. And don't worry about mistakes, because in the beginning mistakes are okay. If you don't make any mistakes, then you cannot learn any language, because mistakes are part of learning. So don't worry about mistakes, you just speak, and English and grammar rules will come automatically. If you speak more, then you will learn it automatically. So don't worry about English grammar rules, but just you speak. So these are the very important methods. The first one is you have to listen English every day, and the second one is you learn just 5 new words every day, and very important is speaking. So friends, don't wait for tomorrow, you start speaking from now. Thank you so much for watching this video.